Hi, I'm Preetham Naika B of Civil Department. Table of content. Introduction. Factors affecting strength of masonry. Introduction. Allowable working stresses for walls of hollow units for building usually are the same for units having equal compressive strengths. These stresses are different with different mortars but appear to be based upon the assumption that the compressive strength is the only property of the unit affecting the strength of the walls. The strength values obtained in tests of large masonry specimens indicate strongly that they are the other properties of the units which have an important effect on the strength of masonry, and it seemed worth study further the test data and to find, if possible, a better measure of masonry strength. Using the strength design, the design strength of a masonry element is compared to the required strength, which includes load factors to account of the uncertainty when predicting design loads and probability of more than one design load acting simultaneously. Factors affecting the strength of masonry. The strength of masonry, which refers to the structural capacity of a masonry construction to resist external loads, is influenced by several factors. These factors can be broadly categorized into material related factors and design construction related factors. Here are some of the key factors that affect the strength of the masonry are material properties, geometry and configuration, structural design and construction, environmental factors. Material properties. Compressive strength of masonry units. Masonry units such as bricks or concrete blocks have their own inherent compressive strength. Higher compressive strength of the unit generally leads to the stronger masonry. Mortar strength. The strength of the mortar used to bond the masonry units together is crucial. A stronger mortar will enhance the overall strength of the masonry. Unit to mortar bond strength. The bond between the masonry units and the mortar signify the effects the masonry strength. A strong bond provides a better load transfer, improves overall structural integrity. Geometry and configuration. Wall thickness. Thicker walls generally have higher strength due to increased cross-sectional area. Thinner walls are more prone to failure under lateral loads. Height to thickness ratio. The ratio affects the stability of masonry walls. Higher ratios require additional reinforcement or design considerations to resist overtuning or buckling. Opening and openings arrangement. The presence and distribution of openings impacts the strength of masonry walls. Proper reinforcement around openings is necessary to maintain overall strength. Structural design and construction. Structural connections. Adequate and robust connections between masonry elements such as wall-to-wall connections or wall-to-foundation connections are crucial to transfer load effectively. Lateral load resistance. Masonry structures must be designed to resist lateral loads such as wind or seismic forces. This involves considerations such as shear walls, tie beams, and reinforcement elements. Quality construction. The workmanship during construction plays a significant role in the overall construction of masonry. Proper alignment, mortar, consistency, curing, compaction are essential for achieving desired strength. Environmental facts. Exposure conditions. The exposure to environmental factors such as moisture, temperature variations, chemical exposure, and freeze-thaw cycles can degrade the masonry materials over time, reducing their strength. Aging and deterioration. Masonry structures can experience degradation over time due to various factors like weathering, corrosion, embedded metals, or long-term settlement. Regular maintenance and repair are crucial to maintain strength. It is important to note that the strength of masonry is often evaluated through testing and analysis. Considering these factors, an appropriate design codes and standards specific to the region or country, consulting with qualified structural engineer or architect is recommended for proper design and construction of masonry structure. Thank you.